Okay guys, here we go. First, in this videos, I want to tell you how to make and upload reel on Facebook page the right way, and you get money and bonus monetization by real Facebook by Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, first here we must do something, that is we must make up the short videos. What the duration of short videos? The short videos duration is less than 60 seconds. Yes. It's better you make like 30 seconds, it's like a 20 and 15 seconds. That's let we make. Okay, here this is my video shot I have upload to the real Facebook. Okay, first how to make it. The first you can take the videos from the TikTok, you can take also from the Instagram or something like that, but I suggest you make the videos that is by originally, that is banned on you. No re-upload videos, no re-upload of the short videos, but you make. Okay, first here how to make it. This is my page, real Facebook guys. This is you can see like this. I have made it just 2 weeks, but I have get the follower. This are 199 followers. Okay, first how to upload the real Facebook. This is many real Facebook. You can see here there are many of real Facebook. If you want to get a viral real Facebook, there are two kind. The first, you a woman, you show up the hots, like a show up something like make the man will excited of see your body and something like that. The second one, you must make up the entertainment. How you make people or many people laugh, how you make many people entertain with your creator, with your videos, with your short videos. Here we see here now this is, there are a lot of many people here, just girls. Yes, there are girls. So if you want to be viral in the real Facebook, you are girls and you show the unique of your videos. That is the first one. Okay, how to upload girls. Yes, how to upload in our real Facebook page. Okay, first here you can choose this one. There are 3 points, but you must come in on Facebook. No, come in Facebook Lite, but the Facebook original. Okay, now you click here and you choose. There is real here and your page, but this no, don't upload it the video from the real here, but you upload from your page. Fake your real Facebook. Okay, I open here and then I choose up my page one, for example like this. Yes, Chupu girl. Okay, and then I scroll up. After that I choose the reel. You can see my video here. Yeah, this is my video. Okay, this is my video guys. Okay, now I choose the reel here. Okay, I choose the reel. Okay, I can make directly like this. Yes, directly like this I can make. It's okay, but this is actually is nobody will interest. But I need of the videos I can take by is like from the AG, for example. Yes guys, I take from AG here. I can choose this one, for example. I take where, wait a moment. Okay, maybe I can take from the TikTok. Okay, I can take from the TikTok. For example, I look here. This is just example. Yes guys, I can take here. Okay, you can make the videos, short videos, or can you take, but the most important that is you must like this. I mean, you must edit the videos and upload to the real Facebook. For example, I choose this one. Yes, I choose this one, and then I choose this one to download it. Okay, I download it. Now I save the videos. Yes, I save the videos. Okay, this is still processing. Why I ask you to upload this is like girl, because most of the people, if you want to success in reels, real Facebook, it's like a real TikTok. Real TikTok, there are a lot of people just uploaded of the woman videos. So that, yes, you must know about that. You must know about that and you must understand about that, because the word need someone. Okay, here I want to see in my reel here. Okay, I save to my, for example, I save to here. I save to where? Okay, real Facebook here. Yes. Okay, I save here. This is my video I have downloaded just now. Okay, now I want to upload it in my real Facebook. I back to my real Facebook. Okay, then this with video just now. This is a 26 second. Yes, 26 second. Okay, 26 second is okay. And then I upload it like this. Okay, now I choose the change of the audio first. I mode this and I add the music. I add the music. I choose the music have buy off on Facebook. Okay, and okay, now I choose finish and then finish again, and I know I cut, guys. Yes, I cut this. I cut this the clip. For example, I cut from here. For example, I must cut like this. Yeah, like this, and then okay, we cut like this and say okay, like this. We cut like this. Okay, we cut like this. Okay, and then we can add, and then we can make like for example, wait a moment, guys. This is just example. Yes, this is an example. I can make use add a sticker like this. Yeah, you can adding a sticker like this. Okay, wait a moment. For example, like sticker like this, or sticker what? You can make a GIF. I can give a GIF here. For example, like GIF di sini I feel. Okay, that you can do it next as later. Okay, we just next, and then here we put up the title. This is the most important, yes, guys, because you must make up the small note like this. Yeah, I make up the small note, hashtag like this, and then I put here. Yes, I put here is like a dancing. Yes, dancing woman, dancing beautiful woman. I say like this. This is the video. Beautiful woman. And then I put the tag here. Like this. Yeah, this is the way you put the tag here. Okay, after that we share the reel. Okay, now we wait a moment. This still processing. Okay, we see, yes, this is still processing, guys. Okay, that is the way. And then how can you see about inside what videos you have uploaded in real Facebook? You can use of the Creator Studio. The Creator Studio is application have provided by the Facebook. Yes, you can download in Play Store. Okay, you can see like this, and then you can see the progress here. How increase your fans page. Okay, now we open. Yes, this my fans page. Just now I have uploaded the videos. Okay, now we can see here. Yes, we can see here. This is the videos, the inside. This is the message. Yes. Okay, now we can see the videos. I can see the videos what I have uploaded just now. But this is still processing. Yes, this is still processing. We can wait a moment. Okay, and this is inside. Yes, this is inside. This is the notification. I think that's all about the how to make and upload real Facebook on Android the right way. Please don't forget to subscribe my videos, like and comment in these videos. Thanks so much. See you next time and bye bye.